Subtract 7 from both equal sides.
Watch the scene first. The math is built into the world, so the quantities can be seen before they are named. Here, at the twin root arch, we face an equation. X plus 7 equals 24. The equation says the two sides are equal. Subtracting the same number from equal quantities keeps them equal. So x plus 7 equals 24 and x equals 17 have the same solution. Subtracting 7 from both sides is valid because it preserves equality. Further down the trail, the 7-stone crossing presents a different physical structure. 5x equals 35. The two sides of the equation are equal, requiring careful manipulation to avoid tipping the scale. Dividing equal quantities by the same non-zero number keeps them equal. So 5x equals 35 and x equals 7 describe the same solution. Dividing both sides by 5 is valid because it preserves equality. As the weather and light shift in the clearing, the branches form a new equation. 3 times the sum of x and 4 equals 21. Pause the video for a moment.
Divide both equal sides by 5.
What specific property proves 3 times the sum of x and 4 is exactly equal to 3x plus 12 without changing the right side? The distributive property says 3 times the sum x plus 4 equals 3x plus 12, so the two left sides have the same value for every x. Replacing one with the other keeps the equation equivalent. The equations are equivalent because the distributive property makes the left sides equal for every x. Arriving at the branch gate, a student claims x equals 4 solves the equation 2x plus 3 equals 11. Substitute 4 into the original equation. Compute 2 times 4 plus 3, which equals 8 plus 3, and 8 plus 3 equals 11. Because the original equation is true, x equals 4 is justified as a solution. The original equation confirms the claim because substituting 4 makes it true. The key move is to match the animal action to the exact numbers and symbols in the scene. The environment shows the relationship, and the notation records it. Which mark in the environment proves the mathematical relationship, and how does the animal action make it true?
3 times the quantity x plus 4 becomes 3x plus 12.